I'm Dr. Sanders. I'm going to talk about my final project and what I worked on. So let me just share my screen. Here's my code and let me run it. Last time I didn't share my screen properly, so hopefully it is sharing right now. So here is the game. Let me move it over. Um, the UI is a little bit, it's not showing the word and it's a little bit slow because of my computer. But I will explain as it's running. It worked. We were playing with it today. Let me explain what it's doing and what I worked on. Let me just run it again. Yeah, so I worked on the networking part and everything in between that and the UI. So what we have is that we have our code here. Okay, it is running. Okay. Okay, it's running. It's running here. Perfect. So this is how you play the game. And yeah, it is working. And basically, I worked on getting the person 3 lives. So as you can see, it looks like the block is coming, but because of the UI issue that we had, it is actually the person that is moving and the blocks are there and you just dodge them. You have 3 lives and the hearts are not showing right now, but all of this we'll demo it because my computer is not perfect. We will demo it tomorrow properly, but all of this is working and the networking on how we could network with, we have a server and a client. I am currently the server here and the host who created this. We also can jump. And the other person joins by running my IP address. So this is to restart the game. The words are not showing. My computer is so slow, but you get to play, you have 3 lives and you compete. So when the client joins, it's going to have another terrain here, another racetrack where the person could join and drive. And I was working on the networking and the UI here. So we have a process message. Let me go to that. Uh, Process message here. This protocol is a sample that serves, sends, and message the three. It sends a message. The code splits the incoming message on with the coordinates, and then it parse the errors. It's also calling a game loop, as we can see with our string message here, and it sends an updated position for your local player server, seeing if there's a client and then joining them and competing them and seeing their lives. So whoever loses the 3 lives dies and it becomes the loser. So it's seeing what the client is doing and is interacting, how many blocks it's doing, touching, how many lives it has left, all of that, and comparing it with the server. So that's what I worked on, and I can't wait to demonstrate to you with the proper code, with a working computer. Tomorrow, but that's what I worked on and just fixing here and there with the UI. My code is all over the place. I haven't highlighted it here, so I don't remember exactly where it is. But yes, that's what we worked on, and then rendering the game over as well and having to restart or completely ending the game if the person lost. So here is where it should be end game. So when you press that, that should just close the thing, but my computer is breathing heavy right now. But yeah, that's what I worked on and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.